Myself H.N. Morkar. I am junior college teacher for biology in Yeshwanthav Shinde Junior College, Bhadravati, District Chandrapur. Today we will learn about structure of sperm and ovum. Structure of sperm. Students, observe this image of sperm. Sperm is the male gamete. It is motile, microscopic, elongated cell. It is divisible into three parts: head, middle piece, and tail. Head of sperm. The sperm head is oval in shape and contains haploid nucleus. Here, haploid nucleus means one set of chromosomes, that is 23 chromosomes. Head of sperm carry 23 chromosomes, out of which 22 are autosomes and one is either X or Y sex chromosome. Above the nucleus, there is a cap-like structure called acrosome. Acrosome is formed from the Golgi body of spermatid. Acrosome contains hydrolytic enzymes, hyaluronidase, and proteolytic enzymes like zonalysins and corona penetrating enzymes. The neck of sperm. It is a very short region having two centrioles, that is proximal centriole and distal centriole. Middle piece of sperm. It is axial filament surrounded by 10 to 14 spiral turns of mitochondria called Nebenkern. Mitochondria provide energy necessary for the movement of sperm. Tail of sperm. Tail is long, slender and tapering part containing cytoplasm and fine thread axial filament. The axial filament arises from distal centriole and travels throughout the length of tail. It is partly surrounded by plasma membrane. This is known as main piece. The part without plasma membrane is called end piece. Now, structure of ovum. Students, observe this image of ovum. In human, unfertilized egg or ovum released from Graafian follicle of ovary during ovulation is actually the secondary oocyte. It is non-cladic, means without shell. Human egg is without shell, and microlecital means yolk is present in very little quantity. That is why microscopic. So human egg is without shell and microscopic because of very little amount of yolk. It is approximately 0.1 millimeter, that is 100 micron in size. It is rounded, non-motile and haploid female gamete. The nucleus of egg appears large and therefore is called germinal vesicle. Nucleus of egg is called germinal vesicle. Like sperm, nucleus of egg contain 23 chromosomes, out of which 22 are autosomes and one is always X sex chromosome. Means all eggs or ova are of same type having X sex chromosome. pronucleus is formed at the time of fertilization. The cytoplasm of egg is also called ooplasm. The egg is devoid of centriole. There is no centrioles in the egg. The egg is surrounded by various coverings. The egg membrane is called vitelline membrane. This membrane secretes a non-cellular glycoproteinous membrane called zona pellucida on its outside. So, zona pellucida is non-cellular mucous membrane. Corona radiata is a layer of radially elongated cells attached to outer surface of zona pellucida. The cells of corona radiata are derived from granulosa cells. These cells are attached to each other by hyaluronic acid, that is mucopolysaccharide. It is a type of mucus. There is a fluid filled perivitelline space between vitelline membrane and zona pellucida. The first polar body lies in this space. The egg show polarity, that is two poles, animal pole and vegetal pole. The side having germinal vesicle and first polar body is known as animal pole, while the side opposite to it is called vegetal pole. That's all.